Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram story music not working. Whether it's missing, showing errors, or not playing at all, here's how you can fix it. So one of the biggest reason Instagram music does not show up is due to account type. If you're using a business account, some music may be restricted due to copyright rules. To fix this, open up your Instagram application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon, then tap on this three dot icon. Inside here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find account type and tools. Tap onto it and make sure you switch your account type to creator or personal. Once switched, restart the app and check your story again. The music option should now appear. So after you've done that, head back to your home screen and open up your app store, and then in the search bar, search for Instagram. Once you have searched for it, tap onto it. Then you want to make sure it is updated. If you see update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Sometimes the issue is simply due to an outdated app. After you have done that, simply reopen the app and check if the music is working again. So if it's still not working, you want to go ahead and simply log out and then log back in again. So if you have tried all these steps and still facing the issue, as a last resort, go ahead and long press on Instagram, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, then tap on delete. Once you have installed Instagram, go ahead and reinstall the Instagram from the App Store. Many users report that this completely fixes the music issue. And also, Instagram music isn't available in every country. If your region does not support it yet, you can try using VPN temporarily and switch your account to creator or personal. And that's it. Your Instagram story music should not be working. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.